right, so let's talk about the next thing, is building out a total addressable market. Now, how do you do that? Because a lot of times you think, I got to spend $40,000 to go to Zoom Info and get this thing. No, you don't have to do that. Very simple. You go to the verticals that you align to, right? And it's very simple. You take those verticals, right? And then you join the business association in your area that's assigned to those verticals. So Manufacturing, Association of California or Florida, join them, pay them $250, get access to the list, and now start using that list. That list is your total addressable market. Done, perfect, boom, you've got it for $250. Next, you want to create your website so that you can align with your vertical. So you have a main website, and inside your main website, you have to think of the psychology of somebody who is buying, and that psychology is business risk. They want to go with a managed service provider that actually has, right, experience inside of that. So in your main website, the top 3 buttons should be manufacturing, legal, or professional services, depending on what. So somebody can click on that. And when it comes into the new microsite, it's got your packages fully priced out. That's what you do. That's how you do it. Next, you want to set a yearly budget for marketing. This is a big issue with most Microsoft or most managed partners out there, is that they spend 1 to 3% on marketing. You can't do that. You need to spend 7 to 10%. You need to put together a budget, and you can't stop. You do it for a full year. Our guidance to our partners is then create a quarterly marketing plan. So we help them create a quarterly marketing plan. We assign the budget, we assign the levers, and every quarter we make sure that we're looking at the KPIs and seeing what should we do, or what should we add, or what should we delete. That's pretty much what you want to do. Next, make sure that you're not only joining the business association to get the total addressable market, that you're getting in there so you can start marketing your services, doing customer immersion experience events, right? And building your brand and your profile based on the packages that you have. Last thing I'm going to tell you is I want you to start thinking big. Stop thinking small. Think statewide. Think national. Right now, you're probably encumbered because you figure, I can't send a technician 60 miles away, so I'm going to just stay in my little area. Time to shed those shackles and do something different. I always leave with this one thing. There's a lot of dreamers out there, and the dreamers are the ones that always talk about what they're going to do. And leaders are the ones that do what they talk about. So you need to ask yourself this question: are you a dreamer, or are you a leader? And I bet you're a leader if you came and watch this. All right, look forward to talking to you again. Have a great day. Goodbye.